Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the Sport Plus mode in your Porsche. So this solution works for the Porsche Cayenne, Porsche 911, Porsche Macan, Panamera, 718, Boxster, and Cayman. So basically guys, if you have a recent model of any Porsche, this solution will work for you. So all you need to do guys is go here to your steering wheel, and as you can see guys, right here in the bottom right, you're going to find a button saying drive mode. So right here, if you press the button, you're going to be able to switch to sport mode directly. This button is called sport response, or you can just move this wheel to the right or to the left. And if you go here to your dashboard, as you can see guys, you're going to find that your driving mode is changing. So just keep moving it to the right until you select Sports Plus, and then your mode will be changed automatically. So if you want to go back to hybrid mode, just go and move it to the left, and then you're gonna be able to go back to the normal mode and hybrid mode. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.